winter. So we've been having some terrible snowfalls. This is the result of the road. But it's white everywhere. Yeah.
Perfect time.
It's not the perfect time of year. What a coincidence, really. And this is us. Going to church. I don't have my seatbelt. Well, I had it on. All of the snow that people are watching. Faithful brothers and sisters. Why don't you up on a leash? Look at you. Well, you're not earmuffs or yeah, so we're going to church. I forgot the big boys jacket today.
Sure.
You understand? Alright, so the roads are messy. And it's windy outside and it's still snowing. Yes, it is. Anyways, guys, I'm restarting my channel. Say hi, darling. A long time people must see you. I'm restarting my channel, so I'm gonna try and vlog this week. So of course today is Sunday, so I guess I'll take you along with me this week. You look snuggly. So you'll see what my week looks like. Or it's boring, but you'll get to see what it is. So this is just my welcome back to YouTube video. Don't forget to like, to comment, to share, and to most of all, subscribe. So, we all got church now. Guys, I'm not sure if you're seeing the snow. You probably can, because I am seeing it a little bit. But I get hotter now when I vehicle because I'm jacket too thick and the heat on. Okay, but also reach still, so I'll be fine. You know, but just take it off. Out of the door I go on bad because the wind, I think it's minus what?
Minus 13, yeah, minus 18.
Minus 13, feel like minus 18, so you're out there going bad. And today is November 6th. Alright, November 6th. Welcome to the famous left turn in Canada that causes a lot of accident, but this one is a good turn for us.
Normally we have to be waiting.
You have to wait and make sure coast is clear. Alright, we have somebody down the road that's clearing snow. See that little truck? No, that armor come from one job. To the left. Them little wet name Bobcat. The little Bobcat here. So these roads are not cleared, so you still see the snow driving on the raw snow. Reach a church now. So I'll see y'all later. When in park. Oh, can you do this? Is it that illegal? Oh, yeah, I'll come up right to car. The snow too much. Okay, guys, today is Tuesday. Stay right here, man. November 5, 6, 7, November, no, 5, 6, today, November 8th. It's currently minus 18 outside. The fees at minus 24. So, I'm going out. I wanted to take you guys with me yesterday, but I'm not gonna tell a lie. Yesterday did rough. When I go to the door, you have a gloves up, and it did snow really bad. And wisdom had to prevail. I couldn't put my cook out and for record. So today it not snow, so should be a little bit better. So this jacket is really comfortable. Usually I wear it like this. You just get to see you just get to see my eyes. But why I start sweat already? Jaja. And My boots. Let me show my boots. So I wear these boots.
Yeah.
I have to ask my work shoes.
Yeah.
They're at work.
Yeah.
So I take them in on Monday. Let them stay for the week and then on the weekend I carry them back home. Cause I bust me I take. Because I tuck in my pants so that I don't know how high the snow is. So I have to tuck in my pants so I don't get messed up. But guys, guess what? I'm hot, but I don't have my work jacket. So let's do this over. But anyways, you get the gist. When I go to the door, I'll talk to you again. Whoa. Okay guys, so I'm officially out. I have to be making tracks this morning. I have no idea where I am walking because it snowed so hard yesterday and last night. It stopped now. So I was one track here, right? So this is a little part where we usually walk. Usually I cut across over this and go to the bus stop, but since it's off, so I'm stop cut across. I walk the long way, go down, and then I make a left and go out. So I have on my gloves, thick and warm. That helps to keep me. Guys, you see the place up bright? Like the sun hot? Is a lie. The devil is a lie. It's minus 20 something. I kid you not. Anyway, the sun just come out to tell us, say, guys, wake up, it's day. And that's it. I don't know if I hold the camera properly, you know. Come here, walk and shuffle, but I open and see pictures and stuff. See the video properly right now. Alright, so the other kind of bit, so. And this is me. Alright, see our next new part I create. So, oh no, not people walk yesterday this morning. Oh yeah, see. It's a full up. But I'm gonna drop the thing today because it not snow. And it's not so windy. Yesterday it windy like crazy. And here we go. The bus stop is across the road over there. Okay, so I've made it to the bus stop. This one doesn't have a shed, but the one over there does. I'm not gonna tell the lights over there, so it did hard for walk. I don't know how deep, let me see if I can see how deep the snow is because I don't want to wear my high boot. This is just my regular. But to see how far my foot I go, for show you how much my foot go way down a while ago, for show you how much snow. For show you how much snow fall. So part I thought kick up when I'm a foot back. But anyways, I'm at the bus stop now. I had to pull up my coat over my face because my nose start get runny and thing. But it is, I'm not waiting long. My bus is coming, so if you look down the road, you'll see the bus right there. You might be wondering what's wrong with the car. The vehicle is still there, but hubby works further. Hubby works like 30 minutes out from home. So he drops off right into daycare. My workplace is legit 5 minutes away. I could walk if it's a good day. So that's why the car thing not really something there. But I'm not gonna tell a lie. It's a struggle. Could find my bus ticket a while ago. This is my bus ticket. I have to take off my gloves. Anyway, see bus here later. Good morning. Thank you. So by the Queens, I come off the bus like 1, 2, I think it was third stop that I come off. So I work really close to home. But you see guys, the snow now play. I just November this. I eat this. This jacket actually made me sweat my heart. So it's like a bigger boy. But literally feel hot. I become nervous now though and the heat. So that's why when I go to the door, but it's a little hot. But whatever, I'm still coming for the bus. Guys, me used to live around here, so I used to walk the long stretch and every distance was around here. I'll see further up the road now. And my stop is next. Oh, somebody pressed the buzzer already. That's it. To work we go. Okay, I'm walking. Alright, so I work on a little mini plaza. There's one side over here, and then there's my side over here. Currently, because I'll be moving this month, because I'm still in my training. My training is for a couple months, well, for this position. But they send it to like different locations, so it's like a different feel and stuff like that. Anyways guys, I'm going now. I'm not going to the video yet. People know some I'm a vlogger, so I don't really want to bombard nobody, understand? Hi guys, it's night now. I never go straight home and I forgot to vlog. I had a meeting at church, a ladies meeting, so we are now going back home. I'm driving with Stephanie. You know, not seem good because it's dark and the night, but whatever. It's actually 9 o'clock on the way home. For the understand, see, I be excitement I go on along my yard, so I'm reaching on my yard. I'm showing you the excitement. So today is still November 8th, the night. Let me show you where we are. Vlog this morning when I was going to work.
So say they attack on the bus?
Oh no, when I was walking out the road.
You know this a cool, yeah?
Yeah, put on my gloves.
Alright girl, they're getting your priorities
straight. You hear that guys? You should just say if I in the cool here. So you mean to me I'm showing this in the cool. Appreciate it. But I put on my gloves. You guys saw that I had on my gloves and I do my thing.
That's bad.
Wow.
Let us go and go McDonald's.
You got McDonald's drive through. Okay, McDonald's. We see you another time.
Go home and drink tea.
And apple and salt. Alright guys, so this is it. Stephanie can't carry me because there's a fire at one of the apartments at my building. So the fire trucks are here and then block the road. So I go walk it going. But a serious thing. It's not my building, it's another building, but this is serious. This is serious. So there are 3 fire, oh no, there's 2 fire trucks. It look like an ambulance. Why am I just up? No, 4 fire truck. Just all the people I'm get to see of them things. Well, I don't know how much things I can see even on fire, you know. Why? That thing used to happen in the winter here, eh? What a thing. I know the quality is probably not the best, but y'all getting the gist because it's really dark. Oh, she could actually pass, you know. So in taxi here just come in, we never know. I mean tell her to let me off still, but whatever. The walk wasn't far. But yeah. So I'm not sure if you can see the smoke, but it's the apartment that's right here. I'm seeing the smoke. Though. Oh, actually that look like the chimney smoke, not the building smoke. But I'm smelling stuff. I'm cold, so I tremble and I'm cold, so I'm gonna put away the phone and talk with my hands. Okay guys, it's another morning and we are getting more ready for daycare. Say hi guys. Hi. You going to daycare today? You want to go to daycare? Okay, let's get ready, okay? Come, let's put on this jacket. So today is -22. She is wearing a, see if I can show you, this pants is lined so it's comfy. If not, I'd let her wear a stocking under her pants. Because usually, you know, you put on a big thick jacket. Can you put on a jacket? Hold it, baby. Thank you. Here. Oh, let me help you. This one is heavy. You got it? Good job. And let's get your hat. There you go. You're a penguin? Come fix it properly. So she has a cold. Seasonal beat with bad weight, guys, when I lie. Well, I was sick too, but I kinda get better. But baby girl, cold that beats her bad. She didn't even go daycare yesterday. Just to keep her home. Okay, do you want your gloves? Here they are. Oh, this one? The small one? Okay, let me get it for you. Okay, and these are her boots. But I'm gonna have to help her put it on. So I'll pause and come back, okay? Okay, you have to take off. Okay. She wants to wear her puppy scarf.
A puppy?
Yeah, put it around somewhere, mama. Okay. Can you close it? It's done? You good now? Okay, let's lock you up. Okay, so mama is all ready for daycare. Put it on your hand, baby. She got on her. Yeah, she got on her scarf. Boots and her boots. All ready? Are you ready? Are you hot? Don't worry, when you go outside, you'll get cold. That's because she's bundled up. But she'll not get cold. You'll get a little warmer. Better now? Okay, so say bye, guys. Okay. Okay, bye, guys. Have a good day. You want to take your blanket?
On the stairs now.
Who that, Bobson? See you later. But they come out and them big boys. Bye-bye. I'm over. Yes, guys, so I'm here getting ready for work. Somebody decided to let me look outside. Today look nice and sunny. Very sunny, I might say. But it's all a lie. It's a joke. The sun is just up to say yes, it's morning. Still minus 20 something. Oh well. Let me finish getting ready so I can go out. You see that? See that? Cindy. Alright guys, your girl is ready. So I'm about to head out now. She got to take on the road. You understand? So let's go. You guys are probably wondering what happened with the apartment. So I just left out and I saw you can see where the fire took place. You know, it's black. But luckily it never spread bad because you guys know how the buildings, I'm gonna cut off my head. You guys know how the buildings here are. So it just happened to that one little section, which is good. That it never spread. I'm gonna hope that the people then found somewhere properly, you know, to stay, to lay their head last night, and they were comfortable in spite of whatever happened. Now I'm heading to the bus stop. Still out, as I said, it's very sunny, but it's not sunny. I'm not sure if I've seen the fog coming from my mouth. But at least when the sun comes out, it feels a lot better. So much better. So this is what it looks like today, November 9. Oh, there's a rainbow. A lovely rainbow. Yes. So the snow is pretty much still thick. I saw a news this morning. I shared it on my Instagram. Oh, them clear right there, so nice. So them didn't clear right there. So anyway, this is just a little track path. It's probably that's why they don't clear it. But what was I saying? Yeah, I saw on the news this morning that is it 15 places in Alberta right now is the coldest. What's in the world? Yeah. So the temperatures them nah joke, guys. It is for rizzle. But today is so much better walking in the snow. It's cold. I have on my glove on one hand. One of the camera doesn't have. So you get too cold and cramping though. You know the dealio. So I'm gonna take my time at the bus stop. I'm gonna wait for my bus. Hopefully my bus don't delay today. Sometimes, because my bus stop doesn't have the shed, I don't know why there's no shed at that one. I stay at the one that's right here. I don't know if I can see it here. You can see it. And then when the time gets closer, I cross the road to mine. So I'm gonna check the schedule one more time just to make sure that the bus is on time, and then we go from there. Hi guys, it is another day. Welcome to the vlog. Today is Friday. It's Remembrance Day, and I'm currently going to an event. So I'm going to host a party for a 16-year-old. So you see, that's something else that I do. But my guys, I'm gonna do some pickups, 2 pickups. One is very near, and the other one is Sophie. You guys know Sophie from the vlog. So let's go on the road, do the pickups. The place just look dark, guys. It's just 5 o'clock. My gosh, party starts 6 o'clock. I'm kind of early still. Let's go do the pickups, and then off we go. I wanted to start vlogging from this morning, but honestly, I never have nothing for sure. No, the day was really, you know, when I get that day, they just stick it for kind of recoup and come back. It was a day like that. So it's night now and I'm out. I wanted to take baby girl with me, but I have one cold, so I'm just saying I can't with a carry night cold. So she and daddy the home. Get her some vitamin, get her some DPH. She did pick the sleep almost the whole day. She feeling, but she better now though. So she's staying in tonight until tomorrow we go outside, because I got some stuff to do tomorrow, and I'll take you guys with me. So this is what the roads look like. I'll probably need to change the angle. The thing not so straight. Get the heavy snow there. It hasn't snowed since, but I think it's gonna snow tonight, they said. Probably not so bad on tomorrow. Hopefully it's not too bad. My gosh, sure. The way you drive across the road, sir. Alright guys, so when I pick them up, I'll get back to you. Alright guys, so change of plans. We're going for Sophia first, cause Cookie not ready. I'm supposed to carry something for the party too. So I cook Cookie little time and come back for her daughter and for the food. So we're heading to Sophia. You see the time just get dark. I don't understand now. I never look so dark. Oh, I look so black now. I can't have some self. Oh no. Sometimes I wish we drive quicker for Sophia. I drive that way. Sometimes I don't know which way. Anyway, same time probably, but just depending on road traffic. We take the right turn today. So guys, when you do your driving test, them say must hug the corner. You understand? Out and about. I just took up one fried dumpling, you know, with this morning and eat it. It tastes nice, see? I realized I should have took up more. Guys, me I drive without seatbelt on. What kind of careless life this? I threw up the scarf for my neck and I was thinking so the seatbelt at hold me down. I can't change it. Because I'm going to go right just so I'm in the left turn. I'm not even sure how long this vlog is. Guys, while we're at this, please let me know in the comments if you like to see these type of vlogs, or you prefer the sit down one, or you want to see outside and what my day is like and what it's looking like now. So let me know in the comments if you enjoy these types of vlogs, because I'll still do sit down ones, but of course vlogging is also necessary too. So let me know if you like the vlogs. Whoops. Guys, you hear that? Well, I'm gonna skid. Them things that the snow do. One thing we know for sure is that if you can drive from Jamaica, it is a plus for you. But real driving skills at them time here now, when the road conditions them terrible, and you have to have that skill there. because you see all the black ice. That's not pretty. But now the roads are good. Like because the snow stopped, it's alright to drive on now. I just look sections have like built up snow. But it's pretty good now to drive on. You know, I forgot to mention that the fire, that was my I'm turning the camera. It's rude to be talking to you guys not seeing me. The fire that we had the other day at the apartment was my second emergency experience here. While I was at church recently, we had an event and somebody fainted, an elderly fainted. And it was my first experience of seeing EMS come in and what's the name? Fire truck. And it was so quick. Like, I think I took footage though. I can show you guys after this clip here. I can insert it right here and show you. They came so fast. You know, they stayed on the phone with you and telling you what to do and stuff like that. Quite interesting. But it was scary at the same time because well, I'm never really sure what happened with the man. He was gasping like he wasn't breathing and stuff, but thank God he's still alive. And he's doing well. And I get to understand that he has this cane. Like we'll see this light flickering on it. The cane is actually an emergency cane, so like if something should happen to him, he can press it and they'll find him wherever he is. But he didn't have the cane beside him at night. I'm not sure if he had it beside him. I'm not sure what happened because I just told me here's the ball out 911. I'm gonna talk foolishness. He's when me here's the ball out, call 911. Then me realize what did happen. It was scary, but them come fast still and check him out and he's quite okay now. Thank God. So we have the fire truck and we have EMS. Huh? Yeah, probably. So my very first emergency experience. They came really quick. This is your first experience? How old are you? 7. After 7 years, huh? They came real quick, right? They came real quick, right? Yeah. Let's continue our journey. I have to focus because sometimes I miss the left turn going to Sophia. Yeah, and our cycle it's snow now. That's another thing too. I must tell you. When you come in here and you decide so you want to drive, start driving from in the summer because you see when winter come and everything white and signs and things cover up, it's so hard. So if you can start driving from in the summer or at least take the bus so you kind of get familiar with the routes and stuff, it makes it a lot easier for winter. Because trust me, everywhere will look the same and you basically don't know where you are because you can't see signs properly and stuff like that until you probably reach near because it's so dark. So getting familiar with that is important. Every stoplight I catch me, what is what time now? I hope this recording you guys hear me because it's probably so loud. I hope you guys hear me properly with the talking and not so low. Alright, I'm gonna pause until I reach Sophia and the other people in, okay? Okay guys, so Sophia is here. I just picked her up. I have to turn on the roof light because it looks too dark. Very cold.
Yeah, must I say, the colder you smell.
What can we do to deal with it, right?
I know, we're in it already.
Yep, make use of it.
Make use of it.
So we're going back for Tiona at Stephanie. Show them the road. Show the people out the streets. Watch it.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, the party is over and everybody car shut off. I'm coming to say a while ago, all of the car them lit on. That's another thing. Another thing that you have to do. Start a vehicle before you come out so you can basically warm up until you come. Usually around 15 minutes. Oh my God, so I've been inside 15 minutes. Oh. So I'm going home. I might end the video here. I'm not sure what. Oh no, I don't have to end it here. I think I'm going on the road tomorrow. So I can wrap it up tomorrow. I'll let you guys know. I'll end the video tomorrow, guys, when I go on the road. Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday. Turn on the radio. The final day of the vlog. And I am going on the road to pick up some stuff. And the car cool because I never started, never remember. So it's a warm up. Anyways, let's go. I'm going to come back for hubby and baby. And then we'll go back. But I'm going to grab some stuff. Like I'm going to this store to get Rain Speedy Shore because I get on a better deal. So I'm going there. And I'm going to try and get some meat. I went grocery shopping last week, but I went late in the evening because I had another engagement. So I never get to finish. So I'm finishing it this week. So we're going to get meat and pediasure and some other stuff. And I need a big mat. Where am I going again? I need a big mat to put at the front of the house. We have one now, but it not really do much justice for the snow when it come in. So I'm going to try to get one of that for the front. Probably get at a Walmart or for the Canadian Tire. Whichever one is closer. But yeah, today is actually warmer. I think it's -6. But I can always cover my neck, guys, and my head because when I relapse with it sick. Every time I get a cold, my sinus gets act up. But it's still pretty cold though. So let's go. When I get to the store, I'll get back to you guys. Alright? Alright guys, I'm reaching the supermarket. So let's see what I can get here today. Sometimes them places eat are missing, so I'm gonna just try and see. I'm trying it there. I'm gonna get a trolley on the other side and come back. Them sell a whole lot of Chinese things because some Chinese people own it. I don't know. I'm not seeing the pull trolley, but whatever, we'll take this one. So, sometimes I buy the red fish here at Walmart. But I always get 4 pieces in there while it's only have 3. I mean, it's not bad. It's $10 something. So all I'm only having 3 pieces. So you know, I'm going to find out having one having 3 big hell of a piece. Then if I try alone, may I get one that look bad. And compare and see since I just alone them have. May I come there, guys? These are live blue crabs. The cost is $6.88 per pound. Look. I'm looking for saltfish. Then post on something and jump out, guys. To all the fish seafood lovers. Alright guys, maybe I put some chicken back. Oh, see them here. So I can get this for $5. I'm not gonna tell a lie, it's pretty. The first time I was going to introduce, the second time I buy it in here though. But it's really pretty, so I'm gonna take it. $5.13 for this. I think this is I don't know, this is 0.72 kg. You guys do the maths, 2.2. Take that one here. This one look nice. Oh, I buy some chicken foot too. I don't know why chicken foot so expensive. $7, $8, $8. What is this? $7.58. I want a good amount. Maybe I'll take that one here. Let's take this one. $7.87. And this is 0.596 kg. Do the math again, good guys. Do the math again. So, may I buy some pork too? So, I'm parcel it out for me. So, I also grabbed a bag of drumsticks. The one I took was for $6 something. But then, I'm gonna buy the thighs in a superstore or Walmart. The bag of thigh. So, we're leaving the store now. Okay guys, so you see the meats that I bought right here. I'll tell you what's the cost when I'm done. Okay guys, so the bill right there was $44 and some cents for the meats that I got. Oh, you exit out of the place here. Oh, I can't walk here. So I don't come here often. This is the second time I'm coming here. But I couldn't get any meat. I think I tried during the week and I couldn't get any. So I said, let me come here. And it's not far from home. It's 10 minutes drive. So I'm good for the month. Well, I just need to get other chicken. Like I'm going to get probably buy a parcel of chicken thigh or something. I'm good. So outside we go. So because the temperature dropped, the snow started melting. I mean, in comparison to last week it was minus 20 plus. This is where my park. Joke this. Anyways, guys, I'm going to go back in the car. I'm going to talk to him because I don't know what I'm park right about now. So later. Okay, guys, so we're in Walmart. I forgot to come back to you. We got everything. We got the mats and the other stuff. So now we're going. Oh, one of them something drop off. A few one. Sorry. The one milk drop off. I try to tell him say milk drop off. So we're about to cash and go home. Let's go, guys. So I'm always go self checkout because shopping is kind of therapeutic for me. So me going on the line and help myself and take my time doing something. So that's where we are now, self checkout. So Pops will check me out and tell you the cost. Oh, so I never got the pediasure. Remember I told you I was going to get pediasure for her? After I called the people in, and I went there, they didn't have any. But good thing Walmart have these. So I got these. These are not pediasure, these are parent choice, but they're good. She drinks them just the same. So I got strawberry and vanilla. But when I buy to the other store, I get a lot more in the box. I get the entire box. And it's usually cheaper. Good. So that's why I always try to go there. But these will do the job just the same. I know. It's cheaper than Pediasure. For the 4. And I think it's 4 come on Pediasure one. This one has 6. How much is that bill? So guys, you see the stuff that I got? The bill is, oh, the bill looks so big, $117. Something wrong. Nothing wrong, things just there.